how to log into DRC University account. Now, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in DRC University login, then press enter on your keyboard. Now, you will land on this interface, then click on the first link on your interface that says DRC University. That will directly take you to login page. So first of all, you have to enter your valid username associated with your account. And under that, enter the correct password associated with your account again. In case you forgot your password, there is a link here that says forgot password. Click on that and that will help you out to recover your password. Or if you need any other help logging in, then there is a help ticket. Click on this link that says submit a help ticket, and that's going to help you to log into your account. Here, if you are done typing in your username and password, click on login button, and on the next page, you will be successfully log into your account if you have entered the correct login information. And that's how you log into DRC University. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.